Wet sand. It looks fun, but it's actually one of the most dangerous traps for an RC crawler. Today, we are starting a new format. I'll show you exactly how to drive in wet sand, what mistakes to avoid, and why throttle control is your best friend. Let's go! Before we hit the deep stuff, let's talk about the setup. For wet, gritty sand like this, you must run a brushless motor system. A standard brushed motor will suck in this wet sand and die very quickly. You also need a steady crawling gear. Watch closely here. I give it slightly too much throttle. In wet sand, wheel spin is your worst enemy. It turns your tires into shovels, digging you down. I barely made it out. Slow and steady is the rule. Here is a classic mistake. I hit the dune too fast and hung up my front differential. Instead of spinning the tires and digging a grave, I stop immediately. Reversing out and picking a new line is the smartest thing you can do. Let's go around. This time, I approach diagonally. Notice the throttle control? I'm barely touching the trigger, letting the tire lugs do the work. The truck glides over smoothly. This trench is tricky. I tried a straight approach, but the truck got high-centered on the belly. Again, don't force it. I reverse back down. On the second attempt, I take a slightly right line. Watch the front wheels. I wiggle the steering left and right. This helps the tires hunt for traction without digging holes. Perfect recovery. When navigating through these ridges, line choice is everything. You want to keep your tires on the high ground to keep your axles clear of the sand. This looks like normal shallow water, but it's basically quicksand. The truck instantly sinks to the hubs. I stop the throttle immediately to save the rig. I reverse back to solid ground, turn left to find a wider line, add just a little bit of momentum, and power through safely. Always have an escape route. Smooth throttle, the right brushless setup, and smart line choices. That's how you beat wet sand. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe for more RC off-road secrets.